Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I've recently been reading the Get Your Shit Together book by Sarah Knight, and in this she describes how you should time yourself doing everyday chores and things so that you know how long something actually takes. And I thought this was such a good idea, so I tried doing it with my makeup, and I'm ashamed to say it took me over half an hour to get a normal looking face of makeup. So I thought I would set myself a challenge and do the 3-minute makeup challenge. And I don't think I'm going to be all that successful, but we shall see. So keep on watching if you want to see how I do. The timer is on. So the first thing I'm using is my Rimmel Wake Me Up foundation, and for me this is probably the longest thing to do because I have that horrible fear of it not being blended in right. But we shall see how I get on. I can't believe how quickly the time's going. It's already been like 30 seconds and I haven't even done my foundation. This is not good. Hopefully I can speed up a bit on some of the other areas with a bit of luck. So I can't remember if I mentioned already, but the colour I'm using is 100 Ivory. This is personally my favourite everyday foundation. I think I might have to skip a step, because looking at it my eyes aren't that too bad, so I don't feel like I necessarily need concealer, and I don't actually think I'm going to have time to put any on anyway. So that could be a good one. It's already been a minute and a half. How is this happening? I'm like halfway through. Oh. Okay, that's that. I'm going to skip concealer because I just haven't got time. And next I'm on to brows, and I can't get it open. I'm using the Soap and Glory Archery brows just to add a bit more depth because they're quite sparse recently, so hopefully that's them done. Eyeshadow wise I'm using my Naked 3 palette, and I'm going to go in straight away with my favourite colour, which is Burnout. I'm just going to apply this all over the lid. It just, for me, I think gives me that pulled together look. Oh my god, the time's running out so far. I've got 30 seconds. This is not good. That will have to do. Mascara. I'm worried that I'm gonna poke myself in the eyes. My mascara was my Lancome mascara, and then blusher, and that is my 3 minutes, but I'm just going to finish anyway. So for blusher I'm using the Clinique one in the colour, I think it's Sunset Glow. And then last but not least, a bit of lippy. And that has me in at 3 minutes 30, which, I mean, I don't think is too bad if I pick you up. I mean, you can tell I've got makeup on, so that's got to be a good thing, right? And I'm not sure if I mentioned, but the lipstick I've got in is by Collection. It's the Lasting Colour in China Rose, and personally it's one of my favourite lipsticks ever, I have to say. But yeah, in terms of my makeup, I don't think I did too badly. I was only 30 seconds over, so you know, that's not too bad. I thought I was going to be minutes over. I've got an eyelash as well, which is annoying me. I still got some foundation on my hand, so I obviously didn't apply as much as I normally would, but I think I did pretty well there. So thank you all for watching my latest video. I hope you enjoyed this quick little makeup routine. I will be back very soon with some more videos. I don't think it's going to be a 3-minute makeup challenge anytime soon. However, maybe I will practice and get a bit better, because I think this would certainly help in the mornings if I could do my face really quickly. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back very soon. Bye bye.